Hello, nice to see you all. Today we're doing a video of Avatar World for restock. Ooh, there's nothing inside. Let's restock our food. Okay, time for food. For some pizza. Banana, no. What is this? Never mind. Yeah, chili. Cereal again. Some tofu too. Okay. Our order is coming in 2 minutes. And typing. What's in here? What's here too? Yeah, we'll have to put the pork right here. Why can I put it right here? Let's put it. No, let it. That's fine. Let's put it. Okay, let's put it. Pork, okay. Right. 2. Oh my gosh. Yeah, eggplant. And let's here too. Of course. Okay, guys. Yeah, guys. Okay, guys. Right here. Okay. Now we have to be colorful. So there's 2. Put right here. Now we have to put it right here. Yeah, we're making this, guys. Please don't let me subscribe because I'm so cute. Yeah, right here. Now it's time to go here. Yeah, what's that? What's more? Now I'm gonna put right here. Yeah, there. What's the food? Okay, right here. So we'll go right here. Yeah. This is so super exciting. Here. Yeah, we're stuck up there. Now, where can we put the food? Is that no. I needed touchwood. Now we have to decorate the touchwood. We need a bubble gland. Now touchwood. Living room. Yeah, we'll have to find a trash bin. Oh, why can't we find a trash bin? Let's find a trash bin. Yeah. Where is our trash bin? Jeez. That's fine. Let's see it. Okay, toaster. So guys, we need a blender too. We need it up here. Because we need the air blender. Now we need Manson. Oh, we can find. We need piano. Yeah, piano. Oh my gosh, where? Where am I moving? Well, here. TV. After the color TV. Set right here. We have to. What is this? Okay. Yeah. We have to go to the trash bin. Oh. What is this? I already have this. and the machines. Okay, my God. Pink, wait. Now, did I just quit? I'm sorry, guys. I literally have to put. Oh my gosh, guys. Did I just really quit? I don't have to do it. Let's go to mission. Yeah. Very good. Hey guys, where's that box? Where's the box? Where is that box? Oh, where is that box? Where's that box? Oh, very good. Now, time for me to get it. Okay, here's my box. Okay, let's get my box. Okay, my box has to be good. Okay, yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you like this video, thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.